Hi friends, now we have Lenovo G405 laptop. In the laptop there is a problem with the hard disk. Because of this I am going to replace the hard disk from HDD to SSD. Now I will show you how to remove the back panel and also hard disk, and also will show you how what are the components will be there inside the laptop. I will show you one by one. Before that you remove the battery first, then inside there will be two screws. You need to remove those screws one by one. After this, simply slide this to downside, it will open the panel. In case if it is stuck, take on tweezer, you can remove this panel. Now find the hard disk. This is the hard disk. Now we are going to replace it. In this hard disk also there will be a two screws. You need to remove it one by one. This is Wi-Fi card. Yes, now hard disk has been removed. Here is the SSD. Now we are going to upgrade it from HDD to SSD. For this you need to remove the screws of the hard disk and then install it. Need to screws remove one by one. This is the SSD. Now we are going to install it. SSD. Make sure all the screws has been fixed. Now the SSD has been fixed. In this two screws is there, need to be fixed. Okay. Hard disk has been fixed in the proper way. This is the Wi-Fi card and this is the model. Okay. Thank you.